I want to welcome you to this YouTube channel one more time. I want to appreciate you for subscribing to our YouTube channel and for liking our videos. Even your comment counts. Sincerely, thank you very, very much. And I want to encourage those that are yet to subscribe and those that are yet to be sharing our videos. Please do. That is a way of encouraging us. Thank you for doing that. Now in this episode, we want to focus on percentage. When we say percentage, what do we mean? Percentage means out of 100. Out of 100. You know, cent is what we refer to as 100. When we now say per, you know, when we say per one, it means each one. When we say per day, it means in one day. When we say per year, it means in 1 year. So when we now say percent, it means in 100. When we say 2 percentage, it means 2 out of 100. That is the meaning. That is the meaning. When we say 3 percentage, it means 3 out of 100. When we say 4 percentage, it means 4 out of 100. At 15%, it means 15 over 100. So if I write 40% or 40 percentage, is the same thing as 40 over 100. What is 20% of 70? It means what is 20 over 100 of 70? Of. Every time in mathematics, when you hear of, it means multiplication. So when we say 20% of 70, it means 20 over 100 times 70. That is what they are saying. 20 over 100 times 70. So when you follow the procedure now, you are going to get 14 as your answer. How do I mean? You know, this is 70 times 20 over 100, or 20 over 100 times 70. 1 0 cancel 1 0, the other 0 cancel the second 0, and you will have 2 times 7, and you will have 14. That is your answer. When another question is like, what is 70% of 9? Yes, 70% of 9. That question, there is no way you will solve that question and you will not get to fraction or decimal, because when you have 70% of 9, it means 70 over 100 times 9. Now 70 over 100, 1 0 will cancel 1 0, and you will have 7 over 10 times 9. 7 over 10 will give us 0.7 times 9. Times 9. When you have 0.7 times 9, the answer will be 6.3. That will be our final answer. Let me go ahead. What of 15% of 60? When we say 15% of 60, it means 15 over 100 times 60. Then you begin to look at the number that can cut each other and what we are going to have left. You can look at the solution to that question here. Another question that we can come up with is, what is 80% of 1000? What is 80% of 1000? Look at, and when you follow this method with any question that they give to you on percentage, you'll be able to arrive at your answer. But for those that are already in grade 4, 5 and 6 now, you know, I mean primary 4, 5, 6 like that, or basic 4, 5, 6, depend on what you call it in your environment. You see, they can twist the question and ask you in another way. For example, when you get to like 24 is what percentage of 80? When the question is like 24 is what percentage of 80, you don't need to stress yourself at all. Just say x percentage times 80, that is of 80, equals to 24. What percentage of 80 is 24? Now you will now say x, that what that they say you don't know, just put x percentage over 100 of, that is times 80, equals to 24. With that you will just say x times 80, that is 80x over 100, equals to 24. The 0 up cancel 0 down, so you will have 8 over 10 equals to 24. So from there, look at what you are going to do. Just follow this and solve the question. Another thing that I would like to quickly add, because of those that are already in upper primary, is that when you are having a question that is talking about increase or decrease, for example, when the question says increase 500 by 20%, increase 500 by 20%. So what are they talking about? Look at what you are going to do. Anywhere you hear increase, it means plus. You know that 500 on its own, that is the total money, that is 100%. So when they now ask you increase 500 by 20%, just say 100 plus 20 over 100 times 500. This 100 up and 100 down is the same thing as 100% of the money. The 100% of that money is 500. So 120% will be 120 over 100 times 500. By the time you cut it, you can see this is the solution and this is your final answer. But if the question says decrease, let's say 1000 by 25%, decrease 1000 by 25%. What you will do is that we say 100% minus 25. So 100 minus 25 will be 75. It will not be 75% of, that is times 1000 naira. That is the solution, as you can see it. This is the solution and this is your final answer there. That is about increase or decrease. Make sure you go through this explanation again and again. You are going to get the next question you will solve by yourself. Now, the method I have talked about now works for every number. Peradventure, it is about increase this in so percentage or decrease this in so percentage, and when you focus on it and you follow it the way I've given it to you, you are good to go sincerely. So I'm rounding up this episode here. Meet me in the next episode. God bless you. Don't forget again to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You should like it and you should share it, and if what we do benefits people, you can help us to refer those that will benefit from what we are doing here to this platform, so that they will be able to enjoy what we do here. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.